Okay, I just need to show you my 4-year-old's toothbrush. He bites it. So you don't want to use your old brush? No.
Those are fun at all.
They are not fun. All right, let's see. Look, it has like a little sound. I was getting ready to charge it. Oh my gosh, that's too cute. Good job, get a little squeeze. Okay, now flip it. Did you get it that side already?
Can I push the
Nice.
check?
All right, that's good. Pass it to your brother. That's enough. What flavor is that one tonight?
Bubblegum. Mom, can I? Huh?
Hold on, let's wait.
Jackson.
All right.
Jackson. Ah?
So you don't want to use your old brush? No.
Those are fun at all.
They are not fun at all. All right, let's see how fun it is to brush your teeth. There you go. Nice. Give it a nice wiggle. Are you smiling while you're brushing your teeth? Look at that music. Kind of makes you want to dance, huh? Ooh, looking nice. Okay, you're clear. Have a great night. I'm about to solve all of our parenting problems. Okay, I'm about to solve one of them, but it's a big one. I have 3 kids, and my oldest, who's 6, just lost his first tooth, and it really got me thinking and searching for a quality toothbrush that works. And part of the problem is my kids don't like to brush their teeth. So I actually asked my my Instagram audience, like, what are you using? And I got lots of recommendations. And it was also with a caveat of, by the way, these mold super fast, so you do have to clean them. And I'm like, what? So I'm gonna show you my 4-year-old's toothbrush because it is wild to me. So this is probably his 10th cheapy electric toothbrush, but can you see how much he bites down and clenches? So this does not work because he's like broken the motor from biting down. So now I'm like, okay, great. All he's doing is chewing on this. He's not really brushing his teeth. It's not getting rid of plaque. And I'm a nervous wreck. So now that my oldest has lost his first tooth, you know, these big boy teeth that are coming in are important and I need to keep them clean. So here's the problem solver. It is called the AutoBrush. First of all, it's adorable. So one boy has the monkey and one boy has the zebra. And it's very, very simple. So I'm gonna show you how you apply the toothpaste. It's a foam. And we have a couple flavors. We have the strawberry and this one's bubblegum. We keep the bubblegum one in this bathroom. So all you do, and this is probably, they can squeeze it, but it's probably easier for mom or dad to do it just so they don't this tastes delicious and you don't want them to waste it and have too much. Okay, so you apply it to the top and to the bottom. And then this center here, I'm gonna have the boys model how it works. And literally you turn it on, there are some different settings, it lights up, it plays music. It is epic. And truly my problem is telling them now, you only need to brush your teeth in the morning and at night. They wanna do it all day long, which I kind of don't mind, but that, okay, this is what it looks like. And they put it in their mouth, they turn it on, and then they wiggle and dance. So I'm gonna show you this. We've been using it for maybe a month. Part of the fun is marking it done. So they all come with this, they all come with a little sticker book, and this now becomes a fun chore that they can knock off their list. It is teaching them responsibility, it's teaching them not to be a dirty bird. I'm pumped about it. So it absolutely is working. That comes, each of them come with a little charging station, and it has a little plug and an outlet, but once you charge it, it stays good for I don't know, we haven't had to charge it again. So it stays good for a while. I'm gonna say a month, 30 times, 30, I don't know. It lights up, It has different volume levels, it has different lights, it goes to music. This is literally like a blast of a chore, and I couldn't be happier because I'm trying to raise competent and responsible adults, and that is tricky, and it starts at a young age, and this has absolutely made my life easier. And it's fun because it gets them into a healthy habit in a positive light. So it's not like I'm dragging them into the bathroom to brush their teeth. They're like, hey, is it time for me to do that? So try it out.